Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to turbo a Ford Ranger using an easy method. First, understand that a turbocharger dramatically increases engine power by forcing more air into the combustion chamber. This guide focuses on readily available bolt-on kits designed for straightforward installation, minimizing complex modifications. Ensure your engine is in good condition before starting this upgrade. To begin, gather your essential components. A quality turbo kit typically includes the turbocharger itself, a new exhaust manifold, and an intercooler to cool the compressed air. You will also need larger fuel injectors and a higher capacity fuel pump to deliver adequate fuel. Don't forget upgraded spark plugs and a boost controller for precise management. The installation process involves several key steps. First, remove your existing exhaust manifold and install the new turbo manifold, then securely mount the turbocharger. Next, connect the intercooler piping, ensuring all clamps are tight and there are no leaks. Finally, route the oil feed and return lines, along with any necessary coolant lines, to ensure proper lubrication and cooling for the turbo unit. After installation, professional ECU tuning is absolutely critical. This ensures your engine runs safely and efficiently with the added boost, optimizing fuel delivery and ignition timing. Continuously monitor your boost pressure, air-fuel ratios, and engine temperatures using appropriate gauges. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your ride fresh. Enjoy your newly turbocharged Ford Ranger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.